Students, in our last lecture we have seen about indicators, and under this topic we have learned about natural indicators, and one example of natural indicators, litmus, we have learned also. And this litmus is found in the form of solution also, and in means liquid also, and in the form of litmus papers. So two types of litmus paper we have seen. One is red litmus paper and another is blue litmus paper. So in this topic we have to do an activity, that is activity 5.1, which is present in your textbook. You can see in textbook. So under this activity what we have to do here? So we have to test some substances which are given to you. The name of that substances are lemon juice, then detergent solution, water, then soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, and baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water. So whatever available with you, we have to use among that for the test of whether that substances are acids or base, or these are neutral in nature, means neither acid or nor base, these are called neutral in nature. So we will see in this activity. So for that we have to take two strips of litmus paper, different color. One is red litmus strip we have to take, and another is blue litmus strip you have to take. So take one of the substance. Suppose we have taken at first lemon juice, and mix that lemon juice with water and keep beside. Then take the two litmus strips. So from that two litmus strips, first we will test red litmus paper. First we will take red litmus paper. So put some drops of lemon juice on that red litmus paper. So what you will get the result? So you will not get any result. No color change of that strips you will see. So there will no change of color of that red litmus strip. Then second time you have to take another litmus strip that is blue in color. So on that blue litmus paper, again put some drop of that lemon juice. As the lemon juice is acidic in nature, what you will observe? That blue litmus paper will turn into red litmus paper, red in color. The blue color of the litmus paper will change into red color, that you will observe. Means what is the conclusion of that activity? The given substance is acidic. As the property of acid is, what is the property? What is the test of litmus indicator? Red litmus paper will not change its color with acid, but the blue litmus paper will change its color in red color with the acid. So the given substance, means lemon juice, is acidic in nature, that we have concluded here. Then take another substance. Which substance we can take here? Soap solution we will take. Then make a soap solution by adding some soap, detergent in water. Make one detergent solution, and in the similar way you have to perform here. First take red litmus paper and then blue litmus paper. When you will take one red litmus paper and put some drop of detergent on it, what you will observe? It will change its color into blue. The red litmus will change its color into blue. So what we can conclude from that activity? What we can conclude? We can conclude that the given substance is basic in nature. Given substance is basic in nature, so that the red litmus will show its reaction with that detergent solution, as it is basic in nature. That we have concluded here. But our conclusion is will confirm from the next step. Then take a blue litmus paper strip and add some detergent drops, drop of detergent solution on it, no change of color here you will observe. So it is confirmed the given solution is basic in nature because the red litmus paper has changed its color into blue, but the blue litmus paper has shown no reaction. So what is the conclusion here? The given substance is, that is detergent, is basic in nature. In similar way, we will take another substance, that is sugar. So we will make the sugar solution, and also you can test simple water also. So for sugar solution we will see here, put some drop of sugar solution on red litmus paper also and on the blue litmus paper also. What you will observe? There will be no change from red litmus paper also and blue litmus paper also. So both litmus paper will not give any reaction with the sugar solution. Again, it will not give any reaction with water also. So that what we can conclude here? The conclusion will be that the given substance, that is water or sugar solution, the both substances are neutral in nature, means they are neither acidic nor basic in the nature. This is the activity. And then you have to make one table. It is given below. Table number 5.2. Make a list in second column test solution. Under the test solution you have to write down the name of substances what you have used, and then effect of red litmus paper on it. You have to note down here, if it will change, red litmus paper will change in blue color, that you have to mention here. And in next column, blue litmus paper test you have to write down here. And then inference, what will be in inference? If the red litmus paper will change into blue, then it is basic in nature. The given substance is basic in nature. If the blue litmus paper will change into red color, then the given substance is acidic in nature. In that manner, you have to fill up that table. This is the activity that we have to perform here. Yes? Hello students. So in this topic, we will see about the natural indicator, that is turmeric. So you know very well what is meant by turmeric. What is turmeric? How it is? It is yellow in color. Yes? So this turmeric is very good indicator for the test of acid and base, or the substance is neutral. If the substance is neutral, whether the given substance is acidic, basic or neutral substance, that we can test by using turmeric, which is present in each house, in each home. So for this test we have to perform the next activity, activity number 5.2. So under this activity, what we have to do here? We have to take some turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and add only little water in it and make a paste and keep it beside. Yes? So we have to use this paste of turmeric for testing of the substance, whether the given substance is acidic or basic or neutral. So how we have to use it? We will see here. So take one paper, or it is better to take filter paper if you are having, otherwise you can take a simple plain white paper. Then spread the paste of turmeric on it, dry this paper and make that paper as a turmeric paper. Yes, only by spreading the turmeric paste on that paper you can make the turmeric paper. Then after drying, cut that paper into strips like a litmus paper strip. Yes, then what you have to do? You have to take the same substances which we have taken in our last activity, like lemon juice, detergent, then sugar solution and plain water, then washing soda, milk of magnesia, washing soda, whatever available with you, soap solution also you can take. So for example, we will take here again lemon juice and detergent solution and sugar solution. So at first take one strip of that turmeric paper, then add lemon juice on it. So what you will observe? There will be no any change in color. If there is no change in color, so we can conclude that it is acidic in nature. Turmeric don't show any reaction with the acidic substance. Then second time take another strip of that turmeric paper, then add detergent solution what we have made for the last activity. The same solution you have to use detergent solution. That detergent solution you have to add on that turmeric strip. So what will be your observation? That turmeric strip this time will change into dark reddish brown color. It will change into dark reddish brown color. That means the given solution, given substance is basic in nature. That solution of detergent means the detergent is basic in nature, that we can conclude. As the turmeric indicator has the property, having property, special property, it will show no change in color in acidic medium, but it will show the change in color as a dark reddish brown in बेसिक मीडियम. बेसिक सॉल्यूशन यदि होगा तो टर्मरिक का कलर रेडिश ब्राउन हो जाता है. सी इफ योर क्लॉथ इज हैविंग some stains of your vegetable what you are eating in lunch or in your dinner, if some stains of that sabji your cloth is having, so then if you will use detergent soap on it or any soap on it, what you will observe? The stain will turn its color, it will change color in reddish brown. Yes, the stain will get converted into reddish brown color, and as you will wash that stain again, the stain will change in its original color, that is yellow, means turmeric color it will regain. समझ में आया ये एक्टिविटी? ये एक्टिविटी के थ्रू हमने क्या प्रूव किया? यदि टर्मरिक इंडिकेटर एसिडिक मीडियम के साथ रिएक्ट हुआ तो उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं आएगा, और यदि बेसिक सॉल्यूशन के साथ या तो बेसिक सब्सटेंस के साथ उसको यूज किया तो वो रेडिश ब्राउन कलर में चेंज होगा. दिस इज द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दैट टर्मरिक इंडिकेटर. सो यू हैव टू again perform that this activity with the same substances which we have used in last activity. So here one column is given on this page. To prepare lime water, take some water in tumbler and add some lime. Lime means chuna, that I have mentioned before also. Add some lime into it, stir the solution sorry, and keep it for some time, and pour a little from the top. This is lime water. Pour the little from the top. This is lime water. ये लाइम वाटर सॉल्यूशन बनता है. यदि हम वाटर में चूना ऐड करते तो वो लाइम वाटर सॉल्यूशन बनता है, और वो लाइम वाटर सॉल्यूशन में यदि हमने टर्मरिक डाली तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? रेडिश ब्राउन कलर में चेंज होगा. थोड़ा सा उसमें से सॉल्यूशन निकाला लाइम वाटर का और उसमें हमने टर्मरिक डाला तो वो रेडिश ब्राउन कलर का हो जाएगा. और थोड़ा सा निकाला वो सॉल्यूशन में से और उसमें हमने लिटमस स्ट्रिप ऐड की, मतलब उसमें डिप की. कौन सी लिटमस स्ट्रिप? रेड लिटमस स्ट्रिप यदि डिप की तो वो ब्लू कलर में चेंज हो जाएगी, क्योंकि लाइम वाटर बेसिक सॉल्यूशन है. वो नेचर में कैसा है? बेसिक है. यस. So this is about the turmeric indicator. Today we have seen under this activity. Okay, thank you beta. Here on this page we can see one activity of making greeting card by using the turmeric indicator paste spread on the white paper. So we know the property of turmeric indicator that it change the color of paste into red brown color, dark red brown color. So we have to apply the paste of turmeric on white paper, and then we can draw the flowers on it or any picture on that paper of turmeric paste by using the detergent solution. Then the picture or the shape will change into in red brown color, as it is the property of the turmeric indicator, we know very well. So do this activity and enjoy it.